Hello guys, first unboxing of the year, so let's get started. Now, I got this from Riverside Excavation off of Instagram. And no, the box is not upside down because I finally got a black marker here at school. Alright, as you can tell, out of the box, we have the Caterpillar 930K by Diecast Masters. So let's open this up. 2015 catalog. Take this. Smaller than I expected. Here it is. You can see Bob in the seat. And it also comes with forks. Which I can't. Oh, here we go. Metal forks. That's not it though. Got another one. It is another Diecast Masters Caterpillar 725 dump truck. Core Classic. And I'm not gonna unbox that. Put this right here. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my first unboxing of the year, and hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys next time.